So this very video is for TikTok content creators or people trying to grow their account or aspiring to be a bigger content creators on this very TikTok. If you're not one of them, please excuse us. There is this very site that lots of these very TikTok content creators, including mine, I don't even know whether I follow maybe these TikTok content creators well, sha. But there is this site that we've been using, and this site has been helping us. You feel me? This site actually provides us with everything that we need. Firstly, this site has a TikTok profile analyzer. You feel me? Like something that is actually going to analyze your profile and give you advice and recommendation on what you're going to do in order for you to actually put your account on the forefront where you are going to start getting attractions. Okay, this very site is called TikTok Wiz. Okay, you're going to be seeing that up here on the screen. This TikTok Wiz actually give you the very equipment and information you need in order for you to hit the virality spot. What I mean here is that this very TikTok Wiz is actually going to analyze your profile, as you're going to be seeing that up here on the screen. It's going to analyze your profile and it's going to give you information and advice on what you're supposed to do in order for you to start getting attractions to your account and grow your account passively. Okay, and also this very TikTok Wiz actually has this engagement booster whereby you drop your username, that's your TikTok username, and it's going to give you necessary things that you're going to do. You're going to be seeing everything that I'm actually talking up here on the screen. Okay, it actually has TikTok AI coach that is going to guide you. If you have any question pertaining to your account or anybody's account, it's going to direct you, give you advice, give you answer on exactly what you're supposed to do and what you need to know about you growing your account. Okay, so this very TikTok Wiz is all in one toolkit that you need in order for you to start growing your Instagram account massively. Okay, I'm someone that I've been using it, and since I started using it, I've been getting lots of attractions to my account, and I'm still using it up to today, which is the reason why I'm here telling you guys how this actually works. Okay, and I would recommend you go try out this very TikTok Wiz to see what it actually has to offer to you if you're someone that is struggling to get views, engagement, to grow your own account. Okay, this very TikTok Wiz does everything for you. It gives you the best possible hashtags, it gives you a good caption, it gives you a description, it gives you the most trending topics and sounds. Up here on the screen are some of the features that this very TikTok wizard has. Like, it's going to give you the trending sound, like what is actually trending right now, and you can actually use it and start getting some engagement on your TikTok account. Okay, it also gives you trending topics, like if you don't know what you're going to do and you want to start your TikTok journey and you don't know where you're going to start with, this very TikTok wizard offers it to you, and you're going to be seeing all these options up here on the screen. Okay, all you need to do is for you to go to browser, Safari, anyone that you're actually using, search for TikTok Wiz up here on the screen, and you're going to be seeing this very website. Try it out and you're going to start using it. So this very TikTok wizard is what lots of these TikTok content creators are actually using to actually hit some virality spot. I'm one of them. As I talked before, I don't know whether I follow big on TikTok content creators, but this side they help me. They help me well, and I like them as well. If you want to make use of this very TikTok wizard, go to Google, search for TikTok wizard. It's going to also be on the comment section and it's going to be on my profile bio. Okay, go there, use them and try them out and see what it actually has to offer to you. I'm recommending you use them 100%. Okay, I'm someone that is actually using them and they deliver me, and I go recommend you guys go use it in case if you want to. Do have a nice day, guys. Peace out.